We'll be starting our class within 1 minute. All of us must be ready. Good morning to all. Get ready with your textbook. Ma'am will wait for everybody to join just for 2 minutes. Then we will start our class. Now, capacity, just listen first, children. Don't do anything now. Now you have a page. You have the same page. And you must learn how to measure. Okay. When you fill a water bottle, how much water does it contain? How many cups of waters, how many tumblers of waters do you need? So all that you know, but there is a measurement. Now you have to use like gram and kilogram for weight. We are going to use milliliters and liters. Okay, capacity, how much it can hold. Already learned that capacity of a container is the quantity of liquid. Okay, it can hold. The capacity of a bucket is more than. See now, just look at the two pictures. I will ask one by one. Now, Abhisha, can you tell me whether a mug holds more water or a bucket? Abhisha? Abhisha not there? I'll start. Akshaya? Yes? Which object holds more water?
Ma'am, what's the page number, ma'am?
No, yeah, your page number is 118. 118. Don't worry about the page number now. Look at the screen and tell me. Akshay, Abhisha. Nobody is there. Okay, Cyrus, can you tell me, Cyrus?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one? Bucket or a mug?
Bucket.
Bucket. Bucket, a bucket holds. So it's written the capacity of a bucket is more than a mug. Okay, mug holds only little water. Same way, Effie, just look at the below picture. What is it, Effie?
Ma'am, it says the capacity of a jug is more than a glass tumbler.
Yeah, the tumbler, glass tumbler. Yes, that is small. Okay, and jug is big. So you have this. Who's the talking there?
It can.
Excuse me, turn off your mic. Sandy, turn off your mic. I can see everybody over here. Please turn off your mic. Okay. Now listen carefully. That page is over. Now we are going to the next one. Please take page number 119. Already it's shown over there. You have to do certain work. So please see. Take the one which can hold more liquid in each. I'm going to give you a little while, 2 minutes. You can just do the work. I'm giving you 2 minutes and you have to tick whichever object holds more liquid. Please do it. Mitra, are you there, Mitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Mitra, can you tell me the first picture, the first one whether the first object or the second one holds more water.
The first object, ma'am.
So you have to put like this. Very good, Mitra. Now Pritika, yes. Pritika, are you there, Pritika? Samantha. Samantha. Children, when I call your name, you have to come. Shashwata. Shashwata. Shama.
Ma'am.
Is it Shama? Good morning, Shama. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, Shama, can you tell me the small one container, the big one, which one holds more liquid? The first one or the second one?
Yes.
First one or the second one holds more water?
Second one.
Tell me. Look at the picture, 119. Look at the picture on the screen. Tell the answer fast, Shama. The first
The
object.
second one, ma'am.
Which one?
Second.
Okay, is it right now? What, ma'am? Put a tick mark on the second one. Is it right? See, yes or no, Shama?
Yes, ma'am.
Shama, you have to be a little more serious. Okay. Good now. Don't make noise. Next picture is for Tanvi. Tanvi, see the plate and the spoon. Which one holds more water?
Bowl.
Tanvi. Not Sanvi, Tanvi plate. Which object holds more water?
Bucket, ma'am.
First one, that's a plate. Very good. Now, don't worry about the fun. Okay, take a jug and a cup, that afterwards, not now. Please come to exercise 4. All of you must take one color pencil, only one color for all. One glass. See, children, this one glass holds 2 cups of water. Then color the cups needed to fill these glasses. First one I will do for you. Now, or I can ask somebody. Shaina. Shaina.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 1 cup. Okay, this one glass holds 2 cups. So for 1 glass, we are taking 2 cups. So 2 glass, how many cups we have to take?
For 2.
4 cups. So you have to color 1, 2, 3, 4. Please do it neatly like how I did. Color it now fully. So you need 4 cups of water to fill one and the second one, 2 glasses. Did you understand, children? This one glass needs 2 cups of water. Again, another glass needs 2 cups of water. You can do all the work. You can do all this. You can color it with only one color. Any one color for all. Now take the next one. Then do it by yourself. Take the next one. Now Arush. Arush, can you tell me the second one, Arush? How many glasses are there? How many? Arush? Alan?
Yes, ma'am.
How many glasses are there? Second picture.
Ma'am, 3 glasses.
3 glasses. And how many cups you need to fill water for 1 glass?
Ma'am,
1 glass needs how many cups?
ma'am, 2.
Very good, 2 cups. Then how many cups of water you need to fill 3 tumblers, 3 glasses?
6, ma'am.
Very good. So how many cups you have to color?
6.
Very good. Do it fast.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Mishti,
Yes, ma'am.
please see to the third one. How many glasses are there? Glasses?
5 glasses, ma'am.
5. And each glass needs how many cups of water? 1 glass needs how many cups? 2. So, how many cups of water you need to fill these 5 glasses?
10, ma'am.
Very good, Mishti. Do it. Second one, 6. Please color it neatly.
Finished, ma'am.
Now don't say now 1 minute, children. Just a minute. Just a minute. Don't do anything. They finished telling the answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let me see everyone now. Now, Sanvi, can you show me? Sachin, turn off your mic. Turn off your mic. Children, I am very happy that I am in school. I am sitting in class and taking class for you. 2B class, okay? Hope you also will come and join us. Yes. Now, Sanvi, okay, do it slowly, neatly. Don't be in a hurry. Not talking. Turn off your mic, please.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Shaina, turn off your mic. Sujin, show me your...
Ma'am, my mic is off only, ma'am.
But here it's going on like what? Now it's off. Sujin, show me your textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
I can check whether you're doing it neatly. Cyrus, sit properly. And it's very easy to do, okay? Must do it neatly. Very good. Down, down. Just lift your book. Okay. Effie, can you show me yours? Very good. Very good, Sujin. He's coloring with his pencil, I think. Okay. Effie.
No, ma'am, it's color.
That's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Never mind. Okay, Sanvi, good. I think now we can turn the page and let us see. Let us see on the screen what we are going to do. Hope all have done that. So this is one more thing you are learning in this, that is multiplication. That is 1 cup needs, 1 glass needs 2 cups of water. So how many cups of water? Like the first one, 2 glasses. Then the next one is, 1 minute, let me see. Yeah, second one is 3 glasses. Then third one is 5. Now we'll see the next one. Now close your textbook. Take out your classwork note. Close your textbook. Take out your classwork note. Take a new page. Yes, take a new page. You have to be very, very careful. Don't write worksheet, nothing. Write Roman number 1. Write the unit in each of the following. Just 1 or 2 examples ma'am is giving. Write slowly and neatly the unit in each of the following.
Ma'am, the screen is not changing, ma'am.
What happened? Who's telling that?
Ma'am, I'm Kanira, ma'am.
No, Kanira. Sanvi, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am, but I can only see the bucket and the mug and the jug.
No. 1 minute. Let me see. This one, can you see? Worksheet, can you see the worksheet?
No, ma'am.
Children,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute.
We are seeing.
It's 1 minute. 1 minute. Just wait there, children.
Oh, color crayons we are here.
One minute. Just wait. 1 minute. 1 minute. Children, don't talk. This one. So far we were seeing, ma'am. What happened? Now please keep quiet, children. Wait a minute. What, ma'am? No, I don't know how to show. A window is used to show. I don't know this one. Used to do. And just speak up, ma'am. No. Window. Which one? This one. No, asking. Can you see now?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please stop talking. Can you see Tridib?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue. Now listen, all must not scream, okay? Good children, just look at the screen, start writing now. Now listen, turn off your mic please. Write the unit in each of the following. Write the heading, leave a line. Children, when you cannot see the screen at once, you must tell me, don't go press any button. Kanira, can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Now listen. Who's this? Who called me ma'am now? Kushagra. Please write in your classwork note, turn off your mic, Kushagra. Kanira, turn off your mic. Come on. Now listen. Tridib, have you started? You can leave one line and copy the next one. Okay. Now listen. Now I'm going to ask somebody. Yes. The capacity, that means how much an object can hold, of a swimming pool. Swimming pool is very big, okay?
I can't see the presentation.
Who's this now?
Ma'am, I can't see the presentation, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Alan. I can't see your presentation, ma'am.
Alan, wait, Alan. Wait, Alan.
Ma'am, I can't see the presentation. Ma'am, I can't see the presentation.
See, if you scream like this, you will get from me. I can hear. In between stopping, don't worry because we are taking class from school first time. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, please don't scream together, children. Okay, you start writing it. Tridib, start writing it. Now, the capacity of a swimming pool would be measured in dash. I'm going to ask Effie, can you tell me the answer for that? Is it milliliter or liter? Liter. Liter means we always measure the capacity in liter or milliliter. Little means we will do with milliliter. Lot means we will do with liters. So L is the short form. Okay, just have it in your mind. Okay, Effie, can you tell the second one? A drop of a milk would be measured in. How will you measure a drop of a milk? Milliliter or liter?
A milliliter.
Very good. Please write it down. When you don't see, only one child must say, okay. Then I will go back and see. Yes, Juansri, show me what you have written. Juansri, show me what you have written. Show. Please write soon, Juansri. Write neatly. Sanvi, show me what you are writing. Never mind, it's not necessary for you to complete. Just show me. Kanira, can you see now?
Yes. Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay,
see.
do it fast. In between, it will be disconnected, but ma'am will do it. When Kanira, if you don't see, you tell me. Okay. Slowly write, but you have to write neatly. Kanira, what's your problem? Right, Kanira? You cannot, if you show me your notebook. Yes, write neatly, okay. Harish, did you write Harish? Now I will right then, why are you sitting and talking? Now I just want Ashwant P. Ashwant, where are you, Ashwant?
Ma'am, Ashwant.
Yes, Ashwant, I'm just taking a drop of ink. You know what is ink? Ink you will fill in pen. Okay, when you come to higher class, you will know. A drop of ink and a bottle of milk. Now, a drop of ink, if you want to measure, what will you use? Milliliter or liter? Drop of ink. Yes?
Milliliter.
What is it?
Ma'am, milliliter.
Very good. You use milliliter. Now, Ritik, I'm just taking a can of oil. Okay, cooking oil. And Tridip, don't show anything on the screen, please. I'm just taking a can of cooking oil. Okay, and 3 drops of water. Now, a can of oil. What will you measure the can of oil with? Whether you use milliliter or liter? Ritik? Liter. Very good. John Matthew? Hope you'd have finished this, children, now. Kanira, did you write?
Ma'am, I didn't finish, ma'am.
Juansri, sit properly. And John?
Ma'am, I didn't write.
Please
Ma'am,
write.
I writing the second one.
Right. Second one you write. Don't disturb children. See, Principal ma'am is sitting next to me and Prashant sir also in the same row. If you do anything, you're not supposed to show faces. Ma'am is just telling me that. Now Tridip was doing something there and we can see. Don't turn off your camera, all the camera. Manu, you have to attend classes daily. Okay, Manu?
Okay, ma'am.
Be a good boy. Yes, Manu.
Thank
Write
you.
neatly,
Thank you.
children. Still you all are writing. Hurry up. Let's see what is the next thing. Those who did not finish can go to the recording and do, because you're taking a long time. Now, you don't write anything, only you have to. Children are very slow. Can I go to the next one, Effie?
No. Ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, let them write. Let them write. I'm not in a hurry to go. Let them write. Next one, you can just do it afterwards. It's like a homework. You have to copy it and do it. I will send it. Okay? Because you're taking a long time to complete the work. Children must be little more fast. Cyrus, have you completed the first one? No. Do it, do it. Hope all would have understood about using milliliter and liter. Mostly we use liters, because we have to measure, if you want to measure milk. If you go to a farm and if you see how they got the same, they use the same material, how to measure milk. They will have half liter, one pan will be there, a small cup will be there, it will be shown like half a liter, 1 liter. So always milk, oil, all this we'll use liters, liquid. Rice, then all the cereals, all that we measure with gram and kilogram. Okay, different things for different, and height and length, all that we'll measure with meter and centimeter and kilometer, whatever it is. See, the road is very lengthy, so you use kilometer. Now I think we cannot do the second one in classwork note because you all are slow. Rahil, have you completed, Rahil? Yes?
I'm writing.
Write soon now. Only 2 sentences today.
I got network connection. That's
Okay,
why.
okay. Kanira, you are doing the first one. 2 sentences.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Okay, let it be. We can't go to the next one. Only 2 minutes more. Okay, whatever you write, we just go through it. And the textbook exercises. Sona, have you completed? Some network issues there already. I can see everyone standing still over here. Do it quickly. Ma'am will wait. Today's special class children. Today's first, what, 1 minute. Today's special class children, ma'am will tell the names after English period. Okay, ma'am got the names. Ma'am has to check. Hope all would have completed by now. Sona, have you written, Sona? Anyway, I can't go to the next one.
Ma'am, I'm
So
almost done.
do it. Ma'am will wait. Ansh? Okay, Ansh, don't come in between and disturb the class. Yes, Sona, any problem? I cannot hear also what you're telling, Sona.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Okay, now let it be. Now, children, you can get ready for the next class. Okay, now, as I told you,
Ma'am,
what
I
happened,
finished.
Sona?
Bye, ma'am.